Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investor. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand. Welcome back. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe and follow us on all other social media platforms. Click the link in the description so that you join one of our digital courses and ebooks, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. It's going to help you understand how wealth is created, how to build the asset column, how to understand the difference between an asset and a liability, the difference between a good debt and bad debt, the cash flow circle, the cash flow triangle, the cash flow system, how to launch our first digital product and business online, how to launch our first $1 million niche, how to find the right topic in which we're going to dive into providing products with different affiliate partners. We're going to show you how to build that asset column with real assets that we control with our companies. We're going to give you the power back to you so that you invest your money. You're not going to give your money away to anybody to invest it for you. Remember that investing is all about learning how to make money work hard through sound investing. And we must seek control, leverage, scalability, right? That's what we want to look for when it comes to investing, and we want to be able to raise capital as well. The business that we are building needs to be established with the duty of raising capital from the front end, from the sales that is bringing in, because it has a product that is wanted and is doing it successfully and is delivering that product to that niche. And it's also from the back end, the business is so well structured that the banks and private lenders are seeking to invest in that business. Remember, when we put the deal together, money finds us, or we will find the money. The job number one of an entrepreneur is to raise capital. And the number one skill is to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing, something that you will learn how to do inside of our community here at Master Investor. We have 3 ebooks right now. The one that I just gave you, the 10 new rules of money and how to invest in crypto to build wealth. It is all about taking heavy action and the ideas and information that we're getting every single day through our financial education, mentors, whoever we are spending time with, right? Which is very important. Our relationships, our communication lines. Who are we communicating on a daily basis? The 5 people that we hang around with on a day-to-day, they hold our future. So in short, those people are OQP, only quality people. Start investing in your financial education is something that should never be stopped. It's something that we should continue to seek more financial education, self-development, leadership skills, anything that improves our persona, we should invest in. Anything that helps us get closer to our dreams, we should invest in. We should even hesitate about it. So the 4 pillars of an extraordinary life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. We can't get far without money. So money must be mastered in this lifetime. Otherwise, you'll be chasing the money like many people do. You don't want to be chasing the money. You want the money to chase us. And the way to do that is by learning the language of money, learning the concepts of sound investing, right? What are the fundamentals, the basics of business? Because investing is business. That's what we are going to be speaking about, building a business. Because the more we talk about building an asset or building a business, it's going to help us at investing, because every investment is a business. Here at Master Investor, you will have the tools, the community, the mentors, and everything that we need virtually so that we can build our asset column together. Okay, everybody is using the tools that we're all using. We're sharing with each other what's working, and we're helping each other become successful in the game of money. Okay, so it's all about taking massive action. Remember, that's how we turn information into knowledge. On today's talk, we're going to be speaking about unlocking wealth, the digital asset revolution. Today is March 19, 2024, mastering the art of acquiring cash flow and assets. Today's golden rule is that we measure our return on investment with facts, not opinions. In other words, when we go into any investment, we must read the financial statement of that company. And of course, starting with our personal financial statement. That's why when you enter our first digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, one of the assets that comes with that digital course is a financial statement that we must fill in so that we know exactly where we are financially, how we can improve that financial statement. Regardless of who we are, we all have a financial statement, and every company and investment has a financial statement. Every business and investment has a financial statement. So we're going to learn how to read financial statements. That way we know exactly the real story behind the business or any individual's financials. It reveals the real story at that moment in time of that person or investment financial state. So with that information, we can measure our return on investment and not based on opinions, which opinions means that is a speculation of events that might never happen in the future, and we don't want to do that because that would be too risky. Okay, that there's nothing solid about that. We want to go with facts when it comes with investing. Our mission at Master Investor is to elevate the financial well-being of humanity through high-quality financial education. Made simple, we look at opportunities to build passive income and true wealth. In the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship, building wealth has taken on new dimensions with the rise of digital assets. From low-content books to digital courses and everything in between, individuals are harnessing the power of the digital realm to cultivate sustainable streams of income. In today's talk, we will delve into the realm of creating and acquiring digital assets, exploring avenues such as self-publishing on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, crafting ebooks, developing digital courses, establishing memberships and subscriptions, and diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Number 1, self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Unleashing the power of low-content book. Amazon's KDP platform has democratized the publishing industry, allowing anyone with creative spark to become a published author. Low-content books have emerged as a lucrative avenue for entrepreneurs. These books, often journals, planners, or workshops, require minimum text and focus more on providing space for users to fill in their own content. By identifying niche markets and understanding consumer needs, individuals can create low-content books tailored to a specific interest, whether it is wellness journals, productivity planners, or hobby-based workbooks. With the right marketing strategy and keyword optimization, these digital assets can generate passive income streams on autopilot, providing authors and wealth entrepreneurs with a scalable means of wealth accumulation. Number 2, crafting ebooks, transforming knowledge into profitable ventures. In an era where information is a currency, ebooks serves as invaluable digital assets for entrepreneurs looking to share our expertise and insights with a global audience. Whether it is a comprehensive guide, a how-to manual, or in-depth exploration of a niche topic, ebooks offer authors and entrepreneurs a platform to monetize our knowledge. With platforms like KDP and Smashwords, authors can self-publish our ebooks with ease, retaining full control over pricing and distribution. By leveraging effective marketing strategies such as email campaigns, social media promotion, and collaboration with influencers, authors can amplify our reach and maximize our earning potential. Number 3, developing digital courses, empowering learners, enriching creators. The demand for online education has skyrocketed in recent years, presenting a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs to capitalize on the burgeoning e-learning market. Digital courses ranging from skill-based tutorials to comprehensive masterclasses allow creators to monetize our expertise while providing learners with valuable insights and actionable strategies. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Thinkific, and Coursera offer creators a user-friendly interface to design, host, and sell our digital courses. By leveraging multimedia content, interactive quizzes, and community engagement features, creators can enhance the learning experience and foster a loyal student base. With the potential for recurrent revenue through membership subscriptions or one-time purchases, digital courses represent a sustainable avenue for wealth accumulation. Number 4, establishing memberships and subscriptions, cultivating community, fostering loyalty. In the digital economy, memberships and subscriptions have emerged as powerful mechanisms for building sustainable revenue streams. By offering exclusive content, perks, and access to a community of like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs can cultivate a loyal subscriber base while generating recurring income. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and Memberful provide creators with the tools to monetize our content through subscription-based models. Whether it is bonus podcast episodes, behind-the-scenes updates, or exclusive Q&A sessions, creators can offer valuable incentives to incentivize subscription sign-ups. By nurturing a sense of belonging and fostering meaningful interactions with our communities, creators can unlock the full potential of membership-based monetization. Number 5, diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Leveraging partnerships for profit. Affiliate marketing offers entrepreneurs a lucrative avenue for generating passive income by promoting third-party products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral. By strategically aligning with relevant brands and products within their niche, individuals can monetize our digital platforms while providing value to our audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale facilitate affiliate partnerships, providing creators with a vast array of products to promote to our audience. By crafting compelling content, utilizing affiliate tracking links, and optimizing our marketing strategies, wealthy entrepreneurs can maximize our earnings potential and diversify our revenue streams. Embracing the digital frontier for wealth creation. In conclusion, in an increasingly digital world, the opportunities for building wealth through digital assets are virtually limitless. Whether it is self-publishing low-content books, crafting ebooks, developing digital courses, establishing memberships and subscriptions, or diving into the world of affiliate marketing, wealthy entrepreneurs have an array of avenues to explore. By leveraging their expertise, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit, individuals can harness the power of the digital realm to unlock new sources of income and build sustainable wealth for the future. As technology continues to evolve and consumer behaviors shift, the key to success lies in adaptability, innovation, and a willingness to embrace the endless possibilities of the digital frontier. Let me know what you think of today's talk. Write your comments down below. If you have any questions, you can also put it down in the chat. And join us today on our live stream here on YouTube. We're also live on Kick and all other social media platforms, Facebook. We're going to be speaking about and showing everyone how to create a low-content book. We're using a tool that I'm going to be sharing on the live stream. If you like to use the same tool, it's basically a software that creates the entire low-content book for us. All we have to do is find a picture to put in front, if we're going to add any picture in front of the cover, but that's basically all we need to do. Once that's created, once the software creates the journal for us or the calendar, then now we can go ahead and publish that digital asset into the KDP platform from Amazon so that we can begin to collect passive income. Remember, an asset puts money in our pocket whenever we're not working. Okay, an asset is a business or an investment that makes us money whenever we're not working. And a business is a sound system of systems. That's what a business is. The systems are working hard to do the selling and telling for us. So a business owner, we control systems, we own systems and control systems. And inside investor, master investor, we make money work hard through sound investing. Make sure you click the link in the description, join our inner circle. I will talk to you on the next podcast. And make sure you take massive action. Everything that you learned today, put a plan down, write down some notes, some tasks for the next 24 hours. Do that every day. Build the habit of having a routine that is getting you closer to our dreams. We have to look at the next 24 hours and use the very moment that we have right now to create greatness in our future. So make sure that we have pure intentions every single day aligned with our goals. So that way, when distractions come, we are strong enough to say no, so that we protect the bigger yes, which is all of our dreams. All right, bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles at work in all economies, and stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.